Lesson 58 in the Jazz Violin series. Okay, last video I mentioned I had this little system I developed when I was like 10 years old by mistake to help you spell chords quickly. And if you know the 7 triads, which I wrote on a piece of paper, I'll review those here. I got my little scribbled up piece of paper with a Sharpie on a lyric sheet that I found at the bottom of my guitar case. It's from some gig or something. Anyways, here they were. So hopefully by now you've made flashcards of these and are on your way to memorizing them. The easiest 3 were C, F, and G. These are all majors. The next easier 3 were ones with sharps in the middle, D, E, and A. Just blankly memorize them, and B flat. And we mentioned quickly that B flat could be changed to B simply by raising all 3 letters the same. It would keep it as a major. So it would be B natural, D sharp, F sharp. So that gives you a little hint on how to use the other ones to find other major chords. So if you needed E flat, you don't have to memorize the key signature and then start by going up the alphabet of the scale and then doing the first and third and fifth notes. You all you need to know is this. If your mind, in my 10-year-old mind, went, oh, I know E, it's pretty close. So E flat's got to be altered. So if you know E, G sharp, B in your sleep and you go, I need E flat, you drop each note a half step. So E goes down to E flat, G sharp will go down just a half step to G natural, not G flat. So it'd be E flat, G natural, B flat would be your E flat major chord. If you need C flat, oh my God, that's 7 flats. I can't think of that. Well, if you need a C flat chord, you just take, oh, I know C. I know that in my sleep. C flat, E flat, G flat. You understand? If you needed F sharp chord, oh, that's a hard key. Well, you'd go, well, I know F. It's F sharp, A sharp, C sharp. Because you know F, you'll know F sharp. It's quite easy. If you needed D flat, you know, well, I know D. Let's take it down a half step. D flat, F natural, A flat. Understand? We already did B. How about A flat? Common chord. You don't have to know how many flats it's got in the key signature. Who cares? As long as you know A, it's A flat, C natural, E flat would be the A flat spelling. So you use these 7 to get to all the in-between ones for majors. I'll tell you about how to get to a minor in the next video.